If you're like myself that use Grok AI for doing researches and you go in depth and you want to have Grok remember certain conversations, certain data that you share, that could be for whatever. You don't have to be personal data, but any research that you want to do and you want Grok to be able to call on that information, then I'm going to show you how to turn on the feature that allows Grok to remember things, right? And it's going to remember your past conversations and even conversations in a previous chat. It can easily call that information within a new chat. How cool is that? And sometimes I found that really useful, especially when I'm doing researches about niche, about YouTube, about different channels, about different topics. Sometimes I want to be able to ask the AI, do you remember this, or do you remember about that topic, or can you pull this data, or whatever it is, and it's able to pull it. Because sometimes you go so in depth into chats and you simply can't remember where it is, and you can't scroll up and up and up and up in different conversations to find it. So you can easily use Grok AI to find that. So how do you turn on this feature to remember things, right? So all you have to do is, once you're inside the Grok app, click the three lines in the upper left, click the settings gear in the lower right, and scroll down, guys, and you will find data controls. And this is going to show you an option where it says at the top, personalized with memory. So this is going to allow Grok to remember details from your previous conversations, right? And this is going to allow it to easily remember information and data that it can easily pull and call in various chats. And that's it, guys. Just turn on this feature and it's going to allow you to have that feature and that comfort of using the AI to remember things. And that's pretty much it, guys.